In today's digital world, Python has become one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly programming languages. From building websites and mobile apps to artificial intelligence, data science, and automation, Python is everywhere. In the next 30 minutes, you'll learn Python from scratch, even if you've never written a single line of code before.
What is Python?
Python is a high-level programming language created to be simple, readable, and powerful. This makes it perfect for beginners and powerful enough for professionals. Unlike many programming languages, Python looks almost like plain English. To start coding in Python, you only need two things: Python itself and a code editor. Popular editors include VS Code, PyCharm, and even online editors like Replit. Variables are used to store information. In Python, you don't need to declare the type. Python figures it out for you. Strings store text, integers store whole numbers, floats store decimals, and booleans store true or false values. Python can interact with users by asking for input and displaying output. Conditions help your program make decisions. Python checks conditions and runs code based on whether they are true or false. Loops allow you to repeat actions automatically. This loop runs the same code 5 times, saving time and effort. Functions allow you to reuse code and keep programs organized. Once a function is created, you can use it anytime.
What can you build with Python?
With Python, you can build websites, games, AI systems, automation tools, and much more. This 30-minute crash course is just the beginning. We'll cover web development, AI and machine learning, automation, and data science. If you enjoyed this Python crash course and want more beginner-friendly tutorials, subscribe to this channel, like the video, and turn on notifications.